Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at something very rare, unique. ISO is the make, Rivolta is the model. It's a 1969 Italian body by Bertone, American drivetrain. Hop on in, do a cold start, we'll tell you all about it. All right, so here we are in a spectacular ISO Rivolta 1969. Again, Italian coachwork, American drivetrain. This car has a Chevrolet small block with a 4-speed Chevrolet gearbox. We're going to do a little cold start here. Turn the key on. Give it one pump. Fires up well. Good oil pressure. Great exhaust note, as you'd expect from a beautiful Chevy small block. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, so we have a little temp in our ISO Rivolta. Beautiful sunset here. It's spectacular. Pulls great. The heat works really well. It's got air conditioning as well. Really well finished, beautiful. Like Jack just said, it's like you're sitting in an Italian living room with all the beautiful leather and the wood trim. We've got a modern radio here. Power antenna as well works. Shut that down. There goes the antenna. Power brakes. Really easy to drive. Nice horn. No rattles or creaks, which is even nicer. So cool how they fit the AC controls down here so they don't stick out amongst all this great dash layout. Is just fabulous. So period. Ashtray, power windows, everything works. Full plethora of gauges. Oil temp, water temp, clock, fuel, amp. This car was fully restored a few years ago. Really needs nothing. Really drives great, feels good. Jack drove it home. He said it really great road holding, really drives well. Again, super rare. ISOs in general are rare. So as we were saying, this car has sharp Italian tailoring with reliable Detroit muscle. So as the story goes, the gentleman who started the ISO company, his last name is Rivolta, he designed these cars because back in the day, everybody in the United States who had Ferraris with engines blowing up, they would replace them with Chevrolet motors. So he said, why don't I just make a car with a Chevy motor, Italian body, looks the part, again, Italian suit with American brute. So that's how the ISO company started. Hope you guys enjoyed those. I definitely did. What a spectacular car, and attention getter like no other. If you don't want attention, you can't buy this car. Everybody looks, gives you a thumbs up, wants to know what it is. The V8 sound is phenomenal as well. This specific car, again, drives so well, feels good, great sound, air conditioning, heat, radio, full gauges. Really Really nice package and well restored, well taken care of. Most recently out of a West Coast collection, who spent a bit of money servicing it, getting it ready to be used. We're going to come up here to the farm road. We'll put her through her paces a little bit. Great small block Chevy that's been upgraded with a 4-barrel carburetor, performer intake manifold, aluminum heads, high flow air filter, MSD ignition. We'll get on it a little bit here. Second already. Great sound. 4-barrel carb really sounds good. A little bit of traffic, so we're going to have to hold up a little bit here, but I think you get the idea of how well this car pulls, how well it's set up. Really the way you want to buy one of these cars. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. Jack definitely did as well. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment as well. And we will catch you on the next one.